Hi friends, this is Bilal Haider, and you have seen me making videos about programming, about Forex, about several other things, but you have never seen me making any video about hacking. So today I'm going to show you this very amazing thing, um, and you will find it very interesting. All right. So um, in last couple months, like 2-3 months, I started learning about hacking. Actually, I thought it's pretty much fun to learn this, so I decided to learn it, and I found many resources, searched over the net, and found many useful things. I learned to spam. I learned to do denial of service attacks. I learned how malwares work, and I learned several other techniques. This video I'm sharing with you guys is there is a journal for black hat hackers, and they put their tools that they use to hack on their journal, but they put those tools in a way that normal person who doesn't understand them, or someone who does not have the concept on how to use them or what they do, normal people basically they can't really do anything from those tools. So in this video I'm going to show you this amazing thing which I learned, and that group is called Proof of Concept or Get the Fuck Out. Yeah, that's what that group is called, that journal is called, and they put all their tools on that journal, which if you will search that on Google you will find that. Okay, so the first time when I visited their website, I found lots of PDF files like this which I have here, and I downloaded this file. And when you open up this file, you see that it's a book. It's a book basically, which says, as exploits sit lonely forgotten on the shelf, your friendly neighbors at Proof of Concept or Get the Fuck Out proudly presents Pastor Manuel Lefroy's Export Control Church newsletter. And this book, if you will see this book, you will see, alright, this is a normal book that I downloaded, and okay, I'm going to sit here and I will read it all about this book, and then maybe I will be able to do some hacking. Okay, so but you will not, a normal person will never notice this, that this PDF file which seems to be a book, it's not just a book. Okay, it's much more than that. I will show you how it's much more than that. So it's basically a file type which is called polyglots. What polyglots is, it's basically you have two or more file types combined together in such a way that they don't break each other. Okay, so this is a PDF file. It is also a zip archive. Okay, it is a zip archive. You will not believe this, but it is a zip archive. And if you try to do if you try to open it with a WinRAR software, it will not open like that. Okay, so for normal person it looks like, okay, it's just a PDF file and nothing else. It's a book that I can read and that's all. But no, they have embedded all the tools that they used to explain, to do a certain exploit to a certain hack, they embedded all the tools in this one file, and I am going to show you how you can extract those. First of all, I'm going to right click it, and I will show you some cool things about this file. No. Okay, so as you can see here, it looks like if you will open a normal PDF file, you will not see this shell scripts. Okay, so what this file has, it has a shell script on top of it. Okay, this is amazing. Actually, this is not just a zip archive, but it's also a shell script. So it's a PDF file, it's a zip archive, it's a shell script. I don't know what more it is. So let's actually go ahead and find out. Okay, the first thing which you see, it is a shell script which will not run on Windows, I guess. It will be only running in Linux. Let me refresh this, and I will do git bash here. Okay, and now what I will do, I will unzip it. As you have seen this, I'm telling you this is zip archive, which when I tried to unarchive it or extract the files from it out of it using WinRAR, it didn't do that. But see here what I'm doing. First of all, let me see. Okay, this is the file. I will type unzip poker GTFO, and I will hit enter and see what's happening. These were the files hidden in this file. Okay, you still see that file here, but these are all the other files which were embedded in it. Okay, you will see couple other more WinRAR. I mean, you will see more archives, and you will also see this one sound file. This is not just all. Okay, you stay here and you'll see more things coming out of it. Okay, one more thing I'm gonna show you about this file is this is very cool. I read this excuse me, I read this PDF file, which is very cool, which is very interesting, but that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you one more cool thing, and that is this thing. This is an image, right? So if I open it, I double click it, I open it in photos, you see this is a normal image, a normal PNG file, and what it says to extract the Stegosploit toolkit, which is a kind of hacking tool, a bunch of tools actually that we use to embed our hacking or exploiting code in an image, and then we deliver that image to a certain computer or certain person, and then we can do several things on their computer. Okay, basically hack those. Okay, so I will show you what I'm doing here. So if I will go and edit this PNG file, which seems to be like an image, but it's not just an image, it's also a polyglot. And what polyglot means, it's when you have two or more files embedded in combined together in such a way that they don't break each other. Okay, so what I'm doing, I will save it as an HTML file. Okay, and you will see why I'm doing this. So if I go ahead and do the same file name, but I will save it as an HTML file. As soon as I saved it, I can open it in my browser, and you see it becomes an HTML file, which is a file type which you can open up in your browsers. Okay, if I click on this photo once or twice, see what happens. I clicked once on this photo, and what it's saying Stegosploit 0.2 is running, and it says bit layer equals 0 and all that things. What basically this file, it's not just an image, or it's not just an HTML file, but it also contains all the tools required to do this Stegosploit attack. Okay, what it's saying to extract the Stegosploit toolkit, rename me as an HTML file and open me in a browser. So we renamed it, we opened it up in a browser, and it says it's running, but it is not giving us the tools. Why it's not giving us the tools? Because for some reason this thing does not work in Windows. Okay, but if you will do this same thing in a Linux or Ubuntu machine, what it will do, it will decode this picture and grab all the bits that require this piece of thing to generate me another zip archive that will contain all the exploiting tools that I need to do a Stegosploit attack. Okay, a hacking attack. So this is, I know this is very tough or very difficult to understand these things, but I'm really into this. I learned this thing and I wanted to share with you guys. By the way, these things which you see here, you can also get them by following the same steps which I did. You can go to Google and you type POC or GTFO, and this file, which is called alchemistall.org, pokergetfo, GTFO, and you will see all these files here. Okay, this file is very old, somewhere. I mean, it's a journal for black hat hacking, and it contains many tools. I didn't went through all of them, but I learned few of them, and many of them actually people don't know about this, but these things are here. All the softwares are here which black hat hackers use to hack things out. So all of these things are here, and these are all PDF files. For normal people, these are just PDF files, but for smart people, they are not just PDF files, but they are the whole package. Okay, you have to kind of find it out. So this is pretty much all for this video part. I hope you liked it, and please feel free to email me about this. If you find something more cool, share with me. See you guys, take care, bye bye.